come out that Donald Trump, the former president of the United States, has been indicted in state court in New York. After weeks of deliberation, the grand jury in New York, in a sealed session, has decided to return an indictment of 32 counts against former President Donald Trump. So what is this case related to? Well, the indictment is still sealed, and so no one will know what the actual charges against the former president will be until his arraignment this coming week during the first week of April. However, it is believed that they are related to falsifying business records in relation to then candidate Donald Trump's running for public office and providing funds through his attorney, Mr. Cohen, who has previously been sentenced and pled, sent to prison and federal court, and since then been released related to his business dealings with Mr. Trump. He received funds through Donald Trump for legal services in the amount of $35,000 a month for a period of time, which allegedly these funds were funneled to these individuals to keep them from speaking out about Donald Trump's sexual relationships with former porn star Stormy Daniels and other females. This money totaled $420,000 and is believed that that is a substantial part of the falsified business records related to Mr. Trump's documents stating that he paid these monies for legal services when actually alleged by Mr. Cohen, his former counsel, it was funds directed towards the payment of these individuals to not speak out about Mr. Trump's or former President Donald Trump's personal relationships with these individuals. So this indictment was returned after 3 weeks roughly of deliberations where the state attorney's office or the district attorney for the city of New York presented records, witnesses, exhibits, and a variety of types of evidence to the grand jury that returned an indictment of 32 separate counts. Now, under New York state law, the crime of falsifying business records is a misdemeanor unless it can be connected intentionally to the commission of a separate offense, which will certainly be a substantial part of former President Donald Trump and his legal team's defense in this case. Once Mr. Trump is arraigned on Tuesday, the process will begin where he can seek to exercise his right to have this case thrown out, to fight the case, or potentially even go to a jury trial in state court in New York. More to follow related to the process of his case and follow up for information about the specific counts and what they mean after his indictment this coming Tuesday. For more information on the Donald Trump charges, his upcoming trial potentially, and other legal issues related to criminal defense across the United States, we encourage you to click the subscribe button below and leave your questions or comments that we'd be happy to address.